and welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. In today's video, I want to show you how I do a wash and go on my son's hair. So this is the second attempt that I'm trying a wash and go in his hair, so I just wanted to come on and show you how I do that. So if you're interested in watching that, continue watching the video, but first don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you're notified each time that I post. So for this style, I'm using the Curl Stretch Pudding. I'm also going to be using the Wet Line Extreme Gel. I'm going to keep a water bottle on hand because I want to make sure his hair remains wet, a comb, and some hair ties. And I'm going to start off by sectioning his hair because I am going to work in sections. So to each section, I'm going to apply this Curl Stretch Pudding and the Wet Line Extreme Gel, and I am going to apply a generous amount. I started by raking and shingling the product through his hair, and I did that with both the leave-in and the gel. I also combed through his hair to make sure it was detangled and to make sure that the product was coating all of the strands. But I did realize that it wasn't really giving him a definition. So later on you will see that I started to twist his hair with my fingers just to give it a bit of a curl pattern. I start off by applying the gel to the full section, and then I'm taking smaller sections and applying more gel to these smaller sections. So this is where I started to twist his hair with my finger, kind of do like a finger coil with my finger. And I did this and I went back to the hair that I've already applied the product to and did the same thing. And I'm going to do this throughout his entire hair.
God damn, boy, what's that, some kind of weave or something? It is my natural hair. I have been growing it since birth. What kind of chemical you got in there? I put no chemicals, only juices and berries.
So right here, I'm going to slow it up just so you can see how I'm twisting or curling his hair with my finger. This is what his hair looks like after I was done applying the product. So these are the final results as after his hair has dried. Excuse his hair, he does need a shape up, but he did want me to do the wash and go, so I did. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and on Facebook and now Twitter. And we will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.